Hey guys, Stephen Fielder here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at N-Fab's Predator Pro side steps, and with N-Fab we have Eric. How you doing, Eric?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. So Eric, in today's video, we kind of want to cover a few major things, like the features and benefits, and then we'll talk about the installation and how difficult or easy it is for the average person at home to install this with their own hand tools. So with that said, give us the features and benefits here. What are the major points that make this stand out on the market?
Yeah, so new Predator Pro, I'd say the largest point is it's all aluminum construction.
Right.
So even the brackets, which are welded on one-piece design, and also the end caps as well are aluminum. So that's very lightweight, corrosion resistant, stuff like that.
Right, so it's going to work in any environment up north, on the coasts, whatever. We love the aluminum for sure. And I'm sure that makes the installation a lot easier. We'll get to that in a second, but I'm sure that helps a lot with the install. With that said though, talk about some of the step pad offerings you have here. What makes yours different compared to some of the competitors out there?
Yeah, so it features a dimpled step pad, which just allows for traction in any condition. A little bit larger step platform than our traditional Nerf step, so that's something they really like as well.
Awesome. Now, what kind of configurations or finishes do you offer on this product here?
Yeah, so these are going to be available in cab length configurations, and the standard color is going to be texture black. That'll be the end caps and the step as well.
Perfect. Do you offer any kind of warranty on that?
Yeah, it comes with a 5-year finish warranty and a lifetime craftsmanship.
Perfect. That's what I like to hear. Now, moving on to the installation, let's assume that the person at home has no installation experience. I like to scale these from 1 to 10. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this installation? But also give us a timeline. How long do you think this will take us to install?
Yeah, I would probably rate it at 2 to 3, something like that. Okay. 20 to 25 minute installation. The installation is going to be very easy because it's a lightweight aluminum step. So you can literally install it with one hand if needed.
That's awesome.
So the installation is made very easy.
Perfect. With that said, with the 2 of 3, I do think you can do this on your own, very easy without any issues. But if you have any hesitations or just don't want to do the installation yourself, as always, check the description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can have a dealer in your area install this for you. All right, guys, that's a wrap on N-Fab's Predator Pro side steps. Before we go, though, Eric, thank you for coming today.
Thanks very much.
It's been a pleasure. Guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those there. If you just want more information, check the description below the video. We'll have a part number and again that dealer locator there so you can find this product at a dealer near you. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.